Hi again, it's Sabrina Moreland from Walter State's Library, and this time I'm going to give you a quick demonstration on how to use JSTOR to find some good sources. So I'm back on that page of English databases. I'm going to scroll down to the J's, and I just want to point out that JSTOR has a different username and password. So you're going to want to enter WSCC as a username and Tolaruma as the password. And since I'm on campus and I use this all the time, I'm already logged in up here as Walter State. In JSTOR, I generally go ahead and click on Advanced Search. And just like in the other databases, I'm going to start with an author. So this time, let's say we're researching Stephen Crane. So I'm going to type in my author's name and just see what the database has for this person. And you can see there's over 10,000 results. So we're going to want to narrow that down. And so the best way to do that initially is the search with inbox on the left of your screen. So I'm going to add in quotation marks the name of the work by Crane I'm researching. So I'm going to type in Maggie, a Girl of the Streets, in quotation marks to show that all this needs to go together. These terms need to go together. And now I have 133 results. That really helped. I can keep narrowing by using the search with inbox. I can use other limiters over here on the left to filter out even more. So I might try, let's put poverty or violence. So it's saying using or to search both these terms just in these 133 results. I get 82. So we're continuing. You can also, if you know you just want a journal article, you could click on Journals, and it takes us down to 77. And under Subject, we are looking for something in the realm of language and literature. So now I just have 60. So that's just one way to keep narrowing it down. And you can look at the titles, you can look at the topics included, and to see if any of these articles stand out to you. So in JSTOR, it's a little bit different than the other databases. On the right, you can download, you can cite this item, you can click on the title of the article, and it brings up sort of a different view of those same applications, such as downloading up here. You can view the article this way. You can cite by clicking on Cite this item, and the MLA citation is first. And just like with all our other databases, you're going to want to make sure it's written correctly, but you can copy and paste that into your works cited page. When you download the article, you accept that you want to download it, and it gives you the PDF of the piece. And so the good thing about this is when you're doing your MLA citations in text and parenthetical, it gives you the page number. So page 759 and so forth. So that's just something to keep in mind if you use JSTOR. It's always a good idea to download the PDF. But that's just very quickly a run through of JSTOR. Again, if you have any trouble using this database or finding the right terms to get you started, please don't hesitate to reach out to me or another librarian, and we'll be happy to help you. Thanks for listening.